Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Click that little button, subscribe to my channel, get updates on what's happening and what's going on. And this week, I really wanted to talk about what's coming up here the week of March 20th, 2023. And it's already happening. We're already starting to see and feel this big shift of energy that's taking place. This is a specific week where we're going to see a lot of shifting. It's already started. And we've seen here in the US a couple of banks that have closed. So these are signs of the changes that are taking place as the deconstruction of the current system will be starting to be taken down. So the current system that we have does not work, and it has proven not to work. It's just continuing to erode. And eventually in the world of energy, as that continues to move in a direction, it starts to collapse. So we're going to see that start happening now with the current systems that we have. This could be political. This is going to be structural. This is going to be financial. We're going to see a lot of changes and shifts that take place. Now, I know people get nervous and they panic at this time and they get worried about what's going on. And obviously we want to be smart and we want to do things that are smart. Look at where you have your money. Do you want to put it in a safer place as opposed to a bank? There are credit unions and things like that that you can use and put your money there. But the other part is don't panic and don't worry, because we know that this is something that has to happen. So the best thing for us to do as we go through this weekend, we have a new moon coming up on the 21st, and then we have a big shift day on the 23rd of March. So this is just the way the energy is moving this week. So again, we started to see it already. It's going to continue, and it's going to keep building up and building momentum. You may be feeling a lot of the effects of this energetic shift. So I'll give you what I'm feeling, and then there's a lot of other ones, but I always get a lot of headaches. I get them right in the crown of my head. Headaches, also feeling kind of dizzy or a little bit out of it. Ear ringing is another one. You may also feel achy in your body, physically very tired, where you just say, wow, I'm just so tired. I can't seem to do anything. Your body vibrating, having trouble sleeping. These are all kind of symptoms of higher energy that we're absorbing right now. And as it comes in, we're going to continue to absorb that high vibration, and it's adjusting our bodies and preparing us for the next wave of what's happening. So be prepared. The best thing you can do now is really focus on your inner self, your inner peace, and trust that the universe is taking us where we have to go. It doesn't mean it won't be a bumpy road, but what it does mean is there are changes that have to take place for us to evolve the way we are supposed to evolve. So I want you to just be mindful of how you feel. You may see things coming in and out of your life right now. That's another thing that we're seeing, a lot of separation and a lot of movement to different places. It could be physical, where you go to a different place. It could be new jobs. It could be new relationships, or it could be the endings of certain older relationships or situations that you've been holding on to and have not let go of. Emotionally, this will be a great time to do that. So buckle up, get ready. It's like I said, there's going to be more changes coming down the road. I like to prepare people in advance for it so you don't kind of get shocked and blown out of the water, but it's already happening. So now it's just a matter of us dealing with it at the highest possible level. So get quiet, meditate, get in nature, pay attention, ask for help from the universe, get messages, and follow your inner instincts and your gut. That's going to be your best bet. So I'll see you soon. Sending you blessings as we go through these changes.